Turn around.
You took a big jump.
Get in, like, go closer. Like, put your arm around the trunk. Go on. Go on the front side.
Good thing is you cannot bark. Hey, buddy.
Hey!
That's why you let them go, Al.
All right.
Get him! How's your knee? Oh, he's got his wiener out. Oh shit! Oh shit! He's right there! He's right there! Hey, get the paddle! He's going around the paddle! Get the hey! Oh! Oh! Hey, that's alright! Get the paddle! Hey, get the paddle!
He's protecting his baby!
Oh, oh, oh.
Go back, Mom.
Fucking piece my shoe.
I see.
Elephant. Hello. He says hi. Go away. Go away. Go away. No, don't you laugh.
Chicken will flop about in the run after it.
Coming after you.
I bet you listen.
He's coming for you, Josh.
Mike! You got a snake on! You got a snake on! Mike! Oh, don't move, bro! Get the snake! Get the snake! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake! Get the snake, bro!
Oh, he's... I don't...
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh! Oh! Get away! Get away!
Hey.
What?
Dude, that's fucking stupid.
Oh, I got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, give me one of
Yo, no, move. Yo.
Thank you. Oh God, it's coming back.
Okay, yep, he's on the floor.
It's fixing to. It's gonna get you, Lily. It's gonna get you, Lily.
Let me see the fish. Is this your woman? Because Larry's gonna look like. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was Oh my God!
Oh no!
It's in its nose! Get it up! Mike, I'm gonna pee my pants! Get it up!
Fucking head up in the air.
Alright! Get me out, you kid! Alright, fuck, let me out! Alright, let me out, you fuckwit!
Whoa. I'll go in.
Get him! I can keep jumping over here! I can feel him! Get over me! You can't be here! Stop it! No, he's climbing! He's gonna go over here! Get him off!
Why not?
Get up.
Anything! Shut up! It's just a turtle.
Fine.
She don't care. I'm gonna bite me. I don't like this.
Grab it. Grab him? Throw him in the water.